weed they give me that day, body now give me a nice buzz now. You know no more weed. You can't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week me give you weed. Yesterday me give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock me give you weed, and just a while ago me give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Not laughing about man. Acha.
You can keep it changed too, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? Much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on where?
There in a car park. Oh yeah, I have everything in it. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch now, can tell you what one, you see, it's one youth, you see man. I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see me going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you're going to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. I open on that red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open on that red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure you as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? You're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And he was good to we went out with young too. So I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know how to deal with it. And you just put the rest upon that and you know how so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. So right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. You short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. Later you get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers who pay me. Customers but take out their money set time when me take out the weed set time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
Say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, what the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out time for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you, what the past. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never know. Say selling weed is a career either, but it's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life now affect you or nobody. I can't tell me how to live my life. I want to so I smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
So here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so I can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. I think they go short, you know. Yeah, man, because watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man. A good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man. I tell you, she good, man. You when I say no Peter, man. She good. When I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, ma'am, but you do owe a loan and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello? Show there. When night come, can go on my bed and so what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet your 10.
See it. Check.
Check your really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. So. Well,
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I bet fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm gonna run with truth or dare now. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you will go first then. Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you don't go so soft, you know, but I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they follow you, so you'd have put it on them?
Yeah.
Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes. Poppy, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna sound like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason, the devil's pitney himself. May I do it still? Alright, do you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital.
I had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decided to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You wanna have a good time? Good time I gonna get. Meanwhile we wait on the food. I guess we know each other. How you like the bus stop? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember some have a man, you know? This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Why I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell us something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over. But I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean? It was just fun. It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No. I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow, basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment, but it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! You're great. Okay.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food. So I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now. So can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is okay?
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
I can believe the Brad actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
You have a nice personality.
Oh my gosh!
No, man.
Show me
I love compliment ladies. I love ladies.
So how long you fan of how long
a long time.
And I'm a fan of her now.
I must say, I'm your biggest fan. I was.
And true, I can show me a fan more than you all around.
Yeah.
I can ever hype him.
Yeah.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah.
Look here.
That's my number one.
I didn't know her from Dangerous. I didn't know her from Dangerous. Where you know her from? You know her from before I come here?
No.
That's me, but she's
Just me,
lovely.
but she have a nice.
Yes,
Out
sir.
of every girl I
You have
see
to take one
already, she.
picture. You have to take one picture with me so that we can make Tori jealous.
I say go.
Okay.
You
Take a
can't
make
smoke one
Tori
picture, what
jealous.
you do?
Take one picture.
Come.
Taking a photo of them. Hold on. Ready? Ready? Cheese. I'll do a light behind them. Light on the face, I'm trying to get it there.
Nice.
So no
We're
start.
gonna make Tori jealous on the shore. So yeah, man, let's do the bit.
We're gonna get jealous. One different pose.
Kiss.
Yo.
Alton, you're such a pervert. Alton is such a pervert. Let me cut your split.
So, you finally get to meet one of your fan them. On your, what I call it, you know.
Richard, John,
Yep.
Yeah.
they're gonna make a deal together.
Alright, ready? We don't have anything in here. I'm leaving you guys, unfortunately. I have to go right
Tell
now.
when your birthday.
My birthday is... It's actually Sunday, but I'm celebrating it on Friday, guys. So you know,
Yeah,
come
September
out,
girl,
you know.
right?
No, October. October 3rd is my birthday, but October 1st at the party, the John's Construction. Make sure you post this video for now so they can know Pumping Road. Come support it.
Right.
Yes.
So let's see.
Let's go.
Oh, it is on the market to do the video.
Yeah.
Okay, I use something else apart
Richard is
from
at care. I want at care to do this.
Oh, Richard gonna with.
And if you do it
How many are you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, you have to do it tomorrow.
We can do tomorrow. I carry up. Can we call up for it?
Yeah, you can do it when I can when we are leaving.
So let's see. Second time down in the place.
January
One time, you know,
January
if
4th
I
is
remember
my
case, you know.
birthday.
Talk to what?
What you guys giving me for my birthday?
Hold on.
I say you deserve a glass of milk.
No. 1 minute though.
A glass of milk for your birthday. Just not something normal, nothing like, you know, out of boundary.
Just a nice glass of milk.
Nice glass of hot milk.
Hot milk?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What do do?
What? Alton, what I feel look like, you know, to tingle in your body, you know. But you say no, I think.
Yeah, so your second time down here filming. How you feel? What go on? Tell about it.
Me just always active and ready up to act in a matter. I be a sweat, me sweat from last night, me a sweating aquí.
Remember
Oh Jesus. I must be a sweat, me a sweat, and then the funny I look like
So, like we did that.
So how this feel like something long term?
in terms of what?
Like to me, you know, I just want to film a video for you until
Listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, as soon as I buy up my equipment for filming and you
tell
know.
them so they can donate too.
Listen to me, yeah, of course. Let me tell you something.
Which part the Instagram?
I am going to be next to Richard. Me tell fire friend last night and I come. But you know, I'm take my time, I work with no one said way. But you know, when my things start, I go get my own after them, everything. It's gonna be the best
You know
entertainment.
what's differently though? Yeah, but I'm not people. I first seen you come here we have so much, you know, facial expression, like embody the acting so much, like weird thing.
Yeah.
Like
So nobody no come and beat me.
like how me measure it, like you just embody the character more than like some form of shyness in the other people. And to me, that's my
No, but
opinion.
we have to see that. We're not checking levels. Let's see. Experience.
A little. Remember, I've never been in a show before.
You have to go take some picture for your reason, because not any picture that's more, right?
We don't take it on the camera.
That's what she do, but she want to figure out.
No, take it on the camera and send it to me.
Take it on the camera.
She wants to
Anytime we
make
take
my
picture.
friend
Hi.
Anytime we take picture on the funny camera.
How are you?
I'll send them.
Can pour morning stuff, please?
Unfortunately, there isn't another phone.
You know why I'm take the picture of them, so?
Hold on, I'm not here. Where is it now?
You don't want to make you jealous, too? You want to make her jealous more.
Oh yeah, you want to interview to the fish show?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the man. Where you from? Where you from?
The camera? Use the camera?
Yeah.
Portland.
Hold on.
Alright, that's something too bad.
If I what?
Message me
on portrait one.
on Instagram. It's the same as here.
You can go closer with the middle part, that's all.
With the breast part.
No, that's all.
Yeah. Same.
Watch for
Come on.
Ready?
We're there in a, yeah, we're there in a studio. Yeah, man. Good.
Let me see them all the time, say man a photographer.
Let me see it now.
Hear me on Instagram.
Not forward talk.
Yeah, that she coming now. That she coming now.
This is when me coming now. This is when me the first scene.
That she coming now. Fire, that she coming now. Hey, fire. I'm not here, so don't tell
Why you
this
want
place
to one?
argument.
I pray now.
In there, we have to use that. Take a picture of what's in there. And remember, say you should get the viral call.
The what? Do the what?
The viral call. Viral call. The call when you call.
Call about the vial, the medicine thing.
When
Yeah.
them call it, who call them have the answer back.
Oh,
When I go over there.
Okay.
But then I people.
we can do it tomorrow. We gonna come on fire. We gonna come tomorrow morning early.
See?
And they will come in the morning. They can
Come
finish.
on.
They can finish with all we have to do between the morning and then they can have course. As we have to go back home.
Go over it. You know,
Bye, guys.
You know, tell us something in your phone.
I make my boy do one bag of something.
Later.
Alright, baby.
Can I miss
Be
you?
safe.
Picture I go take.
Yes, yes, still a take it. Yes, still a take it.
Go, go, go.
I love her so much. Never go for her. Lexi, tell me something about you that not many people know.
If you're going to do an interview, I would implore you not to do it in here. Do it on the outside.
Okay, go ahead.
Good quality mic, I forgot to plug that one.
Look after that.
So people ever tell us, say, when them see you, like when people see you for the first time, they always say, oh, me think you're taller.
Always.
Always say that.
Like, I don't know if I'm tall or I'm short, honestly.
No, you're short. Can me short, I'm taller than you. So, you're short. But anyhow, Lexi, you're no stranger to Jamaica.
Never.
So, what me want you to tell, we know, tell us something where you don't really tell. Around a whole heap of people might not know that something about her. But you don't mind having them.
I don't want to talk that on camera. I don't want to talk that on camera.
One little hint then?
I'm a body.
Alright. So, your high school. You talked about that in the last video? No.
No, I did talk to you in a Paradise film. Paradise Mission. My high school, well, I went to the Albertson High School, which is located in Top Trelawney, Albertson. Yeah, the best country school with the young them there was strong. So, and
Manning's the best country school though, yeah?
Manning's in the country, Manning's Hill, also.
Yeah, right down south there, country. Yeah. So you used to be an A student in high school?
I am not gonna tell anybody I was an A student. I was, alright, when we just getting aggressive, you have A, B, C, D, E. I was in B.
Oh, so that one B student. So, you know, you probably hang out, like where do you hang out, like during lunchtime or probably after school?
Yes, so when we just got out of school, like, alright, coming from primary, you know, coming from primary, I'm going aggressive. Remember, you know, you saw me there at primary school, I always hear them say, oh, when I reach high school, I ain't aggressive, I go get beat up. And them usually make me afraid of high school. So when me touch an aggressive, me did shy, no sense, afraid, whatever. When me get for like broke out, I know say no girl can like, well, me never bother nothing. Me not go say me never no fight, I know, but you still could come go like you want this me. So all of that coming about grade 9.
But you're not involved in no controversy at high school though?
1 and 2 times, but I never nothing serious, so I can look back and I say, yo, that fight there, you know, we are pitney, we are fit in a little conflict, but I never nothing big. Me never no big war.
Nothing where whole school know you for it?
No, not where whole school know me for. Always just, I just drama. The whole school know me for my talent, acting, drama, whatever. That them know me for. Them never know me for no fighting or whatever. I used to love trouble people and laugh after them. Nothing too serious to come war me though, because you know say I saw me stay.
So differently though, the first person that is not a relative, but try if you know a relative already in your life, outside of family, people, for somebody where you can remember try want to be a part of Lexi life. I don't know if I want a friend or whatever.
Part of my life, like in what way? Comes
You know, like, I don't want to say man and make it look a little bit too cliche. But say
Like
somebody
in
just rate you and like and say, oh, John, I want to roll
like you're
with.
talking in general, friendship.
Yeah, like,
or man?
yeah, in general.
Yeah, me usually have best friends, yeah, but you know, like now, I don't really have a best friend. Well, me have a close friend, but true, me wouldn't say, me would call her, because I'm from high school where I roll, isn't it? But
Tell me about
I
that.
never really like my thing.
So hold on, it never work out, it no?
No, me and her is still a friend now.
So yeah, tell me about that one, because remember several friends say me I talk about the teamwork thing, you know, so it me all come back down too.
Alright, to be honest, let me be honest with you. When I was at high school, me usually have friends who do what me do, acting. And I did love that. When me left school now, like if you find a friend we love when me love, it never happen.
Rough.
You never find nobody who love camera and act or whatever, like who have a passion. Like I think that I click with persons who do what I do.
Yeah.
Like if me a click now, alright, say me a click, you see me? And you love go party. You just do the opposite thing from me. I mean, it's not going to work because I go always their own camera, whatever. You go shy and say, Lord God, no make you camera catch me. I not depend them something.
Yeah.
I never really like them something they turn me off. So, I never really like say, me have no friend with who, you know, like, but I have friend here from high school. I still have a friend, you know, from high school and things.
And the friendship strong.
Yeah, man, me and her good, man. Or sometimes she go on like she not sense, but we good.
Alright. So about the man part of it now, I can't imagine the kind of man who can manage you. I can't imagine him.
Oh, you know so. Listen to me. I'm done. And like me not really want talk my love life.
Yeah.
Because I'm a very private girl.
Yeah.
Very, very private. But I think out of all my life, I only love about two smaddy.
John, no.
And the one and the current relationship.
A different militancy that my boss. Big up yourself.
And the recipe. No, me I thought like when me say out of all of the relationship them. X out the 1 year one me in like the
Brother,
current
I don't know if woman can say what you just said a while ago.
I truth.
Yeah. Is it me?
It's the truth. And the thing about us, like we Jamaican women, as if when we say certain things, we're not gonna say, oh, me sound like a whore or whatever. It has nothing to do with harlot or whatsoever. Because I know every man can get up and say, oh, every girl I made we did in love. No, every boy we me ever talk to, we never in love. I mean, we just have fun and him go for him way, me go my way, and them can tell us so.
Simple, big people.
I just big people and big
yeah,
people,
yeah.
right through.
Alright, different. I find man argument, because we don't even want to tell them nothing more. See? So about reading. You like reading, like...
You know, I love to read, but I don't read a lot. And that's, I consider myself lazy. But yes, as soon as I drop in at the right, because I remember myself, you know, I go have my own entertainment with my own talent, my own production team. You know, just like Richard Avuno, whatever. That's soon coming I play. So, yeah, man.
Like read, like who, like you don't read a lot, but
soon as I drop in that direction there, you know, I have to go read a lot. Because one thing with Fire, he reads a lot.
What you like read? What kind of material I like read though?
I like romantic drama.
Like a novel thing?
Them have something called Wattpad. The romantic story them I make it when I read you just I love read them something. I love read dramatic and all of them something. And I love horror shows. You see action movie, Gonna Bus and Arrow, my thing that. And apart from that too, man I come with him bike. Yes, so apart from that, I like comedy said way. I like every genre. But my main thing is I love action shows, I love horror, and I love like you know them what I say now? Drama.
Alright.
Like drama thing.
So Lexi, between me and you, who win $1 million? Yo, top player with me, man.
Wait now. The reunion I come up soon. It's gonna be live. So you go watch and see who are going, who are get prizes. And remember, I know we're not getting a prize or not. So when the reunion come,
say allowed to say them something now? They allowed to tell me when one.
No, I don't know when is the reunion, but it soon come. So when he come, we know who win.
So you think, alright, nothing about no release and no video where the public don't know about where you can share it or allowed for share it. If you know about.
What do you mean?
Like me don't know no new, like long time now I don't see no new video on Cashman TV or 876 thing.
Remember, 876 is a one TV reality series. You don't have anything else where them produce. At least I don't know.
But it not done, it not finished yet.
You know, actually now watch, you know. Let me ask you a question. You pay for the 12 point whatever for
Oh no,
exactly.
no.
So you can't go no way. You can watch it on my phone though.
Okay.
But we had episode 12. I think that's the last episode or what.
Oh, so everything not come on YouTube or that? Oh,
No,
okay,
that's why I'm
okay.
not get it wrong. Because all of the
Okay.
episodes are on First in Line JA, which you guys have been told to pay the 12 whatever to go and view it and support.
So who you think win a million?
I do not know.
Me say who you think?
Remember,
me never...
me have to say myself. Me can't say nobody.
Oh, you think you win it?
Everybody I go feel say them win. What you want me say? That somebody they win. Me not no faith in myself.
It's alright,
me have to
Pane.
say me win.
It's alright, on the camera. What you say? Can me feel like you win it, you know?
No, you can't say that. You know.
You say me can't answer that. Lexi say me can't answer that. Me blows
Alright,
are
you're
scared.
willing to say that. You're willing to say that. You're willing to say that, but nothing wrong. Cause other people that say, alright, you know, say a Dino winner, a Valdo winner, a Sicily winner, a hot dog winner. Anybody can.
You know,
say
friend,
win.
when me feel like say you win, me see them do one video and me see you say a thing where you see anything me put my mind, you see something about, you see anything me say me I go do or anything I
That,
just
I
that
think
me I go
that
do.
part is a confession. That you watched. That was a confession.
Yeah man, I look myself, you know, so I feel like other girl that win the blouse and skirt money make him a talk so.
But no, what me say a while ago, when me say anything I put my mind to, that is in general. Like anything I put my mind to, I go do it. If it take long for do, if it take 3 years for do, me go do it. And
Okay.
that with me. So I mean that is just in general.
So if a family, if a friendship, if a boyfriend, if a business, from Lexi put her mind to it, it go happen.
No cap.
So in the future though, that one have like we have 5 point though. In the future though, like what you think you want? One boy or one girl? Can I know you want kids?
I want a nice baby boy.
Nice baby boy. Why not one girl though?
I want a girl, but I think I want a boy first.
Why a boy?
I love boy pitney.
Yeah,
I
sir.
love boy pitney.
Alright, good.
Baby
good.
boys, I love them.
So, any man who listen to Lexi and hear that, well, not any man still, because she in a relationship. So, yeah, I think I like that. Thank you for your time again, Miss Lexi. Anything we want to tell the people?
You're always welcome. And guys, remember to always check out my Instagram page. It's the same Lexi the Best. YouTube. You know, say sooner or later, me just at, you know, like when the man them a drive and then just make a solid turn, like, as some me I go turn to YouTube. Like, me not say, oh, that's your Instagram, you know, but when you not go see, I don't really want to talk business, but the turning to YouTube. And the short film.
Tell which channel do, because then good I don't know what's
Lexi the Best.
Oh.
I'm Lexi the Best on every social media platform. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
How that man?
Lexi the Best.
How that man?
Eh?
How that man?
Mr. Alton.
What experience with this man?
Girl them God man.
Bombard.
Girl them cassava.
I say you go.
I saw him say him label himself so something I say.
Okay, girl them cassava.
I'm just a normal person though.
What them labels in the movie them, the galleys, you ever the girls them man. So you will say me no know. Me no know.
But me not nobody.
Good luck with you and that.
Correct that. I'm not edit that out, dog. I mistake you make.
So
Alright, I'm not gonna repeat it. But I think the camera here loud and
How have
clear.
you been since you have been here though? You give me some bomba lick, you know, some
you know,
some
say really
slap.
and truly, me not feel good because I know me never really fix you up properly. Me give mostly this with the gun, like me did one punch you up, like just some.
But them box them last night and I don't know normal box them.
Fire them no lick. I want me go so with the book.
What? When you did that at school, did you always want to become an actor, always want to involve in a drama?
Listen me, let me tell you something. I wanted to become a solid actor. Right now, me I work for my crime.
The crime?
Yeah, because you see the thing about it, me not have a history of sadness.
Okay.
So I know like me I have a bag of things for reminisce and stuff. Me more cry. Me never really have a bag of sadness, you know?
Alright, so differently now, so cause we are talking about this thing serious.
Me not cut you. Really and truly, you know. I do comedy, but me love acting more. To be honest, me just do comedy because me can do it. And you know, remember, you know, you're not on a limit. For you can do something, you go and do it. So me do it because I can do it. But really and truly, my thing is solid hardcore acting. And my thing that.
Acting.
So
Right.
Lexi. Alright, that's what I say.
Can you act and
So we formalize the thing. I don't know if we have no school at Jamaica where can give a certification for the arts where. So you do that? You do that?
You know, so from me there high school, I wanted to go to Edna Manley. Me even go online.
So apart from Edna Manley, is there anywhere else where you can get accredited certification?
Yeah, but Edna Manley to me at the top. So I did
yeah.
did always say I go and thing. I may go up online and I done with the resume.
You know what I like about you sometime too? Alright, let me say that. In general. Zine, why not instead of go UA, go UTech and show them say you can have just as brilliant students attend UTech as you'd have at UA. So what me I say is why not frig Edna Manley and go somewhere else because you seem like a natural talent.
So that me I try to say right now me not say me hype or cocky. I don't need Edna Manley. Me can sharpen my own pencil.
Okay.
Can't sharpen my craft, you know?
I think so still, but anyways, yeah.
Well, that's true. Cause you know you got some people up there with future things where you don't know.
Yeah.
You have big actor out there who ain't got Edna Manley.
Right,
And when you look on them and somebody will go Edna Manley, them bigger. So
close the video for me, my friend.
People left college and I work at call center.
And I work at call center. You crazy?
Just for an example.
Yeah. Me no want nobody who work at call center feel like they work inferior or nothing like that.
I'm going to talk my mind about the call center business. Let me tell you something, guys. Call center money is not a big money. You guys are... Listen to me.
Depends on which one.
Wait now.
Well, I want to try as best as possible if not make nobody who work at call center feel offended. Yes.
No, this is no offensive. This is the truth. Let me tell you something. As I say, certain position at call center pays, but we're talking about the minimum. The one them we just sit down. We are talking about them. You guys should be getting more.
Yes.
Well, yeah.
More money. And wait, no, I'm not done yet, car. You see them, and listen, and not only call center. You see Chinese people them too. Uno in the Chinese place a stick out thing and a pack this uno fear get more money. How much you think Chinese pay a
government
week?
make it
Tapping is we don't reach our government yet. How much you think the Chinese them pay the people them a week time?
5,000, 6,000.
No man, Akina, how much every 2 weeks?
Why?
For the Chinese every week. How you go?
My thing
About
started.
Around 8 grand.
A week.
Remember say government used to pay
Listen
me
now.
So me
Now your thing too, police fear get more than what them a get.
No, gosh,
as a matter of fact now, call center get 8 grand. No, I'm Chinese people 8 grand a week. When I sum up your fear every day for them there like 1 week, then you have to find out one lunch and all them something there. What is $8,000?
Nothing.
$8,000 is nothing.
You can't even go to supermarket with
You can't even go to supermarket with the 8,000.
So but when you buy a supermarket a week time, Lexi?
Like what you mean? I buy a grocery come to all $13,000. Remember me young, you know. Me not live for my own, me live with my mother for now. But me still have me look at money when me go shop. Because you know, I want my different snacks. I want my own thing. I not eat up my mother things. But when me go to the supermarket and me buy things, $13,000, $12,000. And uno not, if you want, I not see the bag of grocery and uno they sit down on the body, I do this and I do that and they pan cash.
I not cost them. But anyways.
Listen me.
May I get bored of this now?
Lick out pan them.
No, lick out pan them.
People them get more money. And
why?
I think you guys are too comfortable with it. And
why?
that's the problem. Uno sit down and take the little money.
Yes.
Akin,
Lexi,
yeah, one of them with them brainwash where you don't want to talk, you have to talk.
Lexi. No, I know that. I'm tell you one to understand. This is certain battles, you not take it up. You see me? Not take up certain battle, left it alone. Not even share your opinion. Not even share your opinion.
But we have the opinion.
You see it now? You know you're still in the slavery mentality because you can't even talk for your own rights. Come
no,
on,
me cheese and peas, me do that already.
Then if you not do it, you do it already. Me not do it yet. Me not go do it now. Me know you can't say. But in them stamping me in the system.
No.
You know like you take you pick them up.
Just start one topic now.
Alright.
One topic.
Alright, Lexi, can we talk about something more sensitive now?
But what I'm saying is sensitive. I am representing my black partners, my black sisters, and my black brothers. You guys, you know, forget more pay. That's why me work on my own, you know.
Your mother would be proud of you.
That's why me work on my own. I collect my own dividend. No government can't call me and say, oh, you're getting paid the 30, whatever.
Alright,
That's what that.
Lexi.
Me want to get paid when me want to pay. No, you not pay me when you're ready to pay me, like say. Are you birthday? What you say now, sir?
Good, me like how you talk that. You see me say you talk about mother and you talk about birthday and thing and thing. Tell a little bit about mommy. Is it what relationship with mommy too?
I kind of get like an attitude from my mother.
You
love run joke to and give joke.
She short, see me?
Yeah, she short bad.
Your father shot too?
No, my father tall.
Are you bestie? Like, what relationship with mommy? Tell her anything.
No
like,
man, mommy a G man. Mommy is a mommy me can say, yo, mommy me I go this so I do a shoot. Alright. I know somebody will call on my phone. I am not saying that she fit do it, but as she say me, I tell her the truth, the relationship we have. And she and somebody will say, Lexi, we get it. And
somebody we have to worry about.
she trusts her daughter. She knows her daughter know understand the
She knows
ground.
me a thugs and me know fi
She know a chopping.
go through the ground, you know. So she not fear call me phone like me no Christian pitney with teeth out and gun a man yard. No, she not do that.
So, what about daddy? If you can't talk about daddy, just do so.
Daddy now, kinda still vexed with my father. I will let me and him go through. The man they too strict with me. Too strict. And them know. When me did younger, me grew up with my mother and father. When me reach grade 11, my mother leave him and me live with my mother. Come in, you know.
Alright, yeah man, I got too much on that. So no close the video for me now, no people. Come close the video now, like.
Yes, people, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Listen to this.
I don't have much time in that to do that still, so then.
Thank you for watching, people. This is Lexi.
No, you're vlog this I go fan. I want it to, you know. Come on, put you.
Alright.
What I was gonna say, Akin Lawrence. But my last name Akin. See, me know my last name, you know. I don't know for me. My last name is Williams. But people, Akin Lawrence is where I know one there right now. And I'm so when you interview me, I feel comfortable. Did you feel comfortable when I was interviewing you?
Yeah, man, always this nice.
Right. So people, I want to make sure you subscribe to the man thing, because someone will come and watch and now. It is hard for you to click the subscribe button and watch out the something them and come back and re-watch the something them and watch the ads them and be comfortable
and like them,
and like up and comment. Just do
the
right now, people in the ad, you know. So everybody have to make them food. So it was nice talking to you guys.
You want me both of your bread?
And we have Mr. Alton, Paradise Nation. Alright, big up on yourself, people. I'm out.
Say no, this size of a stop. Slap me now.
Your body just feel chubby.
Where bread will let Lexi have that?
Nice.
Where bread there?
Which bread?
Don't you mean say something about? Oh, never mind. Little more people. Big up on yourself. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. We got it. A quick interview with him. Come, tell us, we met in Kingston, right? That is where you met Richard Brown Films, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about that little trip then.
I don't know nothing about Richard Brown Films.
You know how the whole meeting happened? At Kingston, that me ask about.
Kingston?
Yeah, then I big out, me know you.
Oh, me not tolerate that kind of behavior there with you. I know you're paying that man face. Oi!
And she go and she don't know.
Oi!
Kind of fill the house.
Rasta man.
Me hear you saying that, Jenna.
No, but here what going on? I know people are going to see I do this in my boss and I not think they respect that. You're paying up is in that man face, man. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, tell what I mean. Go.
Well, I was home and I saw a group of persons come to say that they're going to do a photo shoot, like a video shoot. So that is how I get to meet Richard Brown Films and then...
So what experience so far?
Experience, like...
How you like it? Like...
With the photo shooting?
Like everything, the whole experience.
I kind of like it because it's the first and, you know, I enjoy doing it even though it's not something I used to, but I kind of like it. Well, at least I can introduce other persons to it to try it and see how it works out.
Okay. One question. You married?
No, I'm not. Why you ask?
You single?
No.
Okay. No further question. What go on, Rasta?
Me there,
you married?
Rasta married.
You married, Rasta?
Rasta, you married.
Alright, silent mean consent. Silent mean consent. We are going to so
more and not the less.
We are going to so go see what.
Interview now?
Who? Mama?
Let me see my
Ladies is more.
Let's make a seat, man. We are going to so go see where Richie them are going.
Why not untie me?
Alright, you tie up. We never see you say you get tie up.
No, me need to untie. Me need to untie so me can come up and see me can get this wig off.
Get no untiement.
How are going to so 50 Shades?
Because here I know she unrolling. She unrolling. YouTube, she unrolling.
She unrolling?
Yeah, she unrolling.
Okay.
So keep her tight.
You are not supposed to be unrolling.
Why?
Alright?
Why?
Me not even know. Anyways, how are going on so? 50 Shades business?
I untie me.
No, me don't.
Anyways, me go to so. Woman in a handcuff, I don't know why they in a handcuff in there so. Or in a chain. You know me they in a chain. Cigarette fire so that's the same way. Oi! I know what go on. People see them a go along up the road. I try to catch them. Alright, so you hear so then if you talk about some gunman business. Well, I run out of battery too, you know. Run go up there. Run go up there, people. We are run. Run. Papa, this not fit though. This not fit. You know. I know say I could have worked with a boy.
Officer Jacob. Yeah, we're friends out. My name Vin Gasoline.
Alton. I want to ask you one personal question. You sure if you ask you? Go on normal. But me like I get timid nowadays, you know, boss. I was all afraid of question, you know. Anyways, where see I go on video now? I want to shoot.
This is the lockdown part 2.
Lockdown part 2.
Yeah, lockdown with the bartender part 2.
So you don't post nothing from when either. You don't see nothing about Paradise Nation.
Well.
Now what going up this one?
Me need space not so right now.
Okay. Yeah, I got through a lot. You get counseling?
Me need to see one still.
Oh, alright. I thought to take it too rough. Shaka! Yes, I have party out blouse and skirt.
Everybody have some.
I saw me here, I don't know. Tell who I go and set the record straight.
No, ask them.
And them tell me say a party. So how do we do it in the end?
Come on.
Is a piece of wood, brethren? I want to know. No piece of wood she have in her hand?
No!
I wanna go.
Take my hand.
Wanna go?
Shoot, come round.
Okay. I feel like following, you know, because I go boring. I get no joke.
AJ, what up, sir? Run, your company road, Zane? Wait no? No. Your company road. Listen. I go up there, sir. And your company road, the police must see you and ask you where you are the company road and you tell them, say, what you tell them, say?
In there, direct young actor.
What tell them, say? What you say?
No.
No.
You tell them,
No, I'm not acting, no, no.
You tell them, say, yeah. You must see you on the road and question. Don't look for me, you know. Go on, way up.
How much more left in that bag, my boss?
Alright. Right there, sir.
I didn't say one pitney and a pitney, you know.
3, you're not pitney either. One more and we're good.
One more? Okay. So, all the ladies... Oh, never mind.
Eh?
Not my business, that.
When I say ready, them are going to walk and ready. Remember, if you don't look for me, just walk and mind no business.
Papa, you like you have sclerosis like me?
Huh?
You like you have scoliosis like me?
Come on, Terry Road. Stop.
I want to wait, man.
Ready. Papa, ready. Papa, I'm ready. Walk, man, walk.
I understand this is the force, but this force run. You see, right now, coming on the street, want to check the bartender right because you know that.
You finally get off the handcuff him, or chain.
Finally untie me so I could actually walk and see what.
She never tell me say I want part of that play a while ago.
Yeah, I was taking part of it.
So what do you do to another scene?
Well, that scene now is a scene where I've been tied up and my fiance gone to buy breakfast.
So him tie up?
No, there was gunman tie me up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the gunman?
You.
Lady, where's the gunman?
You.
Gunman in she hold, she like that.
Where you get that?
Gunman in she hold, she like that.
That Jordan, yeah.
Gunman in your hole.
Eh?
Gunman in your hole. Gunman a hoogie in your hole. Oh. Yeah.
No.
Big up yourself. Subscribe to the boss. Yeah,
Jordan,
please.
friend or cousin, that which one? Are the friend or the cousin?
Or the brother.
Almost the brother.
Look at very expensive.
Almost Jordan, friend or cousin. Oh God.
You have to buy one pair, you know, because they are custom man shoes.
Buy Jordan, no pair of Jordan.
You don't spend money on a man like you buy a man things.
Yeah, but you must have spend for me though.
Jaja. Why most you spend on a man at once?
At once?
Yeah.
It depends on what he wants.
Nice.
Right now, man, we check the bartender.
Boss, you know.
Come on, where are you on the road?
Come on, shoot that shoot.
Wait up,
Come again, man.
Alright, I stop interrupt your shoot, my boss. Sorry.
Let's go right now. Yeah.
Today I go? Tomorrow?
Listen, ready? Yeah, ready.
This is wrong, so we have to go and check. Come on, where are you on the road? Just go here, so where's the family?
Come again.
Daddy.
So I'm gonna catch you in your face.
Same thing. Same thing.
The family them in the yard.
Yeah, where you come?
No, I'm serious. I'm gonna call them. It's behind the scenes.
Let me put you behind the scenes.
Come on. You have me enough focus? You sure? She want to record the people. So why you step back?
Alright, go on, straight home.
Question me. You want to question me?
How old are you?
I'm
Yeah, so you actually don't know your age? 30?
30.
You look more than 30 though. I'll head me go on.
45.
You're 45?
I'll be honest now, 45.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, you sure the camera there for me? You're not a good camera girl. Give me a camera.
But the camera on you?
You're not shakes and look like you're point though. How old are you?
30.
Oh, I forgot you did say it. That's him. So you don't have no more questions, miss? Come, press this button so it focuses on me. And make
This
sure
one?
yes. And make sure I say it turned green. It's green now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So how old am I? 30 years old. Actually, I'm not trim up, man. I got trim up.
Well, I need to visit the barber.
Yeah, I said that in a previous video. Next question. Yes, I'm a virgin too.
No, you're not a virgin. Honestly, not a
I
virgin.
feel attacked.
Nope.
I am a virgin. Anyways, moving
Virgin
on.
still exists?
Yeah, me.
Not you.
Next question.
You live here? Where you from?
I'm on a place named Strawberry. Them not have no strawberry there.
Where you from? One place named Strawberry. Is it in Negril, Westmoreland, wherever?
Westmoreland.
In Westmoreland.
Westmoreland or Westmoreland too?
Well, whichever.
The place named Strawberry where I come from. Yeah.
So where do so far?
Next question, because I do filming and people here like filming, so I'll be
So what
here.
going for the shoes there? What going for your slippers?
I say I'll work out something this man can't. How I try to? Well,
No, my told them want to do, you know. Them honestly want to do.
okay, so my green same way?
Yeah, I agree in same way.
Some more questions. Where am I from? Strawberry. I'll go into the super stage.
You're married?
No, I haven't been in a relationship from birth.
From birth?
Yeah, single. Alright, so I get back some battery. And this is where it caught us. Yeah, lockdown episode, bartender Jamaican series. So, make we go back out the door and find back people and what they got question we. I just get some behind the scenes.
Alright, I'm telling you, we know what talk to an extent. Why man them do normally? Like do whenever they get work.
Of course.
I change it.
Yeah, change it.
No, you have to tell it to you.
So here how I go justify my answer. You know what I hear?
Tell me what's your name.
I'm 6 years old.
Your name. Let her hear your name.
Alright, no, watch that. Right, show it. Go inside the front top. Do. Ready, let's go. Have a dream. I'm still time up with her. Which are the truth? You see the bad man and you I don't know, man. And when you look at the live out of the station, do you think you can manage them? So, where you sit to buy things right now? Come on, I'm home to yourself, man. Soon get man. Alright, so after if you want, you want. I'm going to involve in a conversation. You talk about the road, but give me one conversation. Talk. So you do that. Who you want to do?
And get me a rum cream.
You want running belly, man. What kind of rum cream? No, you're talking. You ready?
Come on.
Okay, so
Look again. No, talking. Come on. Come on.
Nice, my ear. Ready now? Me want to something make sense. I'm not talking about
the bad man.
You know? You can't say it's true. Because I love my life, you know. And I'm looking at my yard there. And I'm just start them. I don't want to take for my now. You know what I mean? Plus, I'm going to get a picnic. And we try to work on a picnic. You know what I mean? Then we go to Roma. So something make sense and impact on the story. Yeah, ready? Let's go. What's the noise now? We are here. Record. I'm talking still now. We're talking now. Ready now, let's go. The time now, we start.
But he might laugh,
Can you tell me?
She said,
But you talk now, talk about that 2 man. Alright, no, that little man. Talk about your little man we have a yard where you try to come and picnic. Ready, let's go.
True, you know, true, yeah, tell her, hey, just get my little boyfriend, don't want them left him, you know. Right now, we afraid of them, you don't want them left him, man. And then him just start them, so we don't want them left him.
No, you understand what you're talking about. But next time to go back to the man, no?
David! Yeah, show.
Right, let's go.
Show them.
Wait. Give me one conversation. You know no talk about what?
Oh, we don't want to kick you.
I thought I punch you, I try to run for you.
Wow, if I pick me for you.
Yeah, man, I try to come and pick me now. You just have to go and I try to come and pick me. Come on, man. Punch, man.
Ready.
First part good enough. Second part this. Ready, let's go.
So, you find a local man, so what else you need?
You know, someone if I want to give my son, or give my child.
You understand that? That's a big people now. We go for the car.
I know Mama can't manage it to blood. Punch. Mama punch it for yo. Yeah, me I work on it, man. I want to make it be like vibe. Alright, make it again. Take it there. Take it back there. If I don't forget, make it take it there. Because you punch the second part. Good. The palm if you punch. Because I'm overshot, you can't talk, you know. You don't talk.
I don't mean to not.
Yeah, woman is supposed to talk because people listen if you talk.
Ready, Papa.
So you understand what I'm talking about now. So we're going to have a drink, and when the time up, we go out yard, and then you can have a little child where you want to have. And next time you can pick up man and people that get a child for us. Come on, man.
Come back.
Lock the door there. Lock the door there.
Lock the grill on the door. Lock the grill on the door.
Skipper, you're passing it fast. Sure.
You want the brew?
And then the size they love me like.
Yeah. Yes, drunk.
Big yam. Big yam. Big yam.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
Come.
No, you are up in the grill and going there. We're not going to do it.
Ready. Nice. Ready. Wait, come back.
Yandy, to do that senior, you can come, make him come out and talk to him because do all that senior, that best makes sense. You know what I mean? We're going to go and do senior and come out. So make him come and go to do what we are.
Officer, drape up.
Yandy, you hear me, Yandy?
Yeah.
No, drape up, drape post.
Yeah, American.
Because somebody in there, officer, drape post. It's post.
Come on. Step back out of the film. Out of the front again. Set conversation again. We're not talking about the... You want to give man one baby? Here?
Go long, man. Don't
Talk.
go spot.
Don't go. That man that's talk. If you want to go, man. Laugh and talk, man.
No worry.
Go in, what you do? Go in. Walk past. That's what I can look at. Go in here, go. Don't go. Because my time they don't shoot it. Don't go there. Let them call you. Alright. Yandy, you not going to do it? No. You're not going to do it?
And then when you knock the door for a while, you just say, me man, wait name, just call the name.
Officer J. Post.
But go in there, man. Go to the grill. Go to the grill. You go there, so. Go now. Police! Officer exercise there.
Bartender.
Bartender, me man, a regular customer.
A J. Post, you know.
I go in there, lock down here.
Yeah,
wait. I just, after J. Post, go to the kitchen. Ready?
No, right?
Ready. Alright. Let's go.
Bartender, Officer J. Post, man.
Okay, alright, my big friend, now come.
Cut.
Wait,
come too quick, can give some time, man.
Man, forgive me time to lose the chain out there.
No, you don't chain for me, man, because we chain. But we all said, we have to give permission to come. So when the car, when you knock one time, you answer. If you knock two times, when you two times, you answer.
Yo, come again.
Ready, let's go.
Oh, really? Wow.
Let's go.
Officer J. Post, you know. Bartender. You know, it's a lot of them come to me special.
Okay, hold on there. Now come.
Oh, look, them like them corner here, you know. Wow. Wait, you like that with one in there?
If you laugh, we are drunk, you better afraid. Yeah.
Come down while I'm you.
No, you're not drunk yet.
Come again.
But you just know, so you laugh now for the see woman. I tell her that girl, I'm moving there. Man, that's fine. You man, that's fine.
Come again, knock again.
You man, that's fine. We can't come in.
Officer J. Post, you know, bartender. One. You're the fan lockdown. You don't know something special we come from.
Hold on there, may I come?
Tell her. Come on, woman, you see. I tell you. Why, man, they are finding it, locked in and then time up the boat.
No, we can't do that.
Since when?
Because he market before he goes.
Well, market is two different things. Buying charts, they won't ship.
No, I know in a way, you know.
Alright, we get the special.
Where you come?
One special.
Wait. Come again, Kenny, because I don't want you just jump in and aggressive vibe so fast.
Yeah, you can go there, man, if you want. But after I want to drop in, I'm telling you. After I want to drop, you can go there, but anyway, where come up from? Because the button in there, you know, you must try to get him a fire. And you're chatting tonight, but yeah. But that's more I got to do. Conversation. Kicking up. Let's go. Come, in a character. No, you don't touch the door, me push the door. Ready, let's go.
Alright,
you can wave to her, you wave to Candy Kino, man. You want to run Kino, man. Along with the police and all, you know. So you can wave to her.
Forward. Yeah, lockdown. Because lockdown no man. So man there for the car. For lockdown. You know where about that? He marking my size small. Anyway. Yeah, but that's special for me, man. No worry about it. Yeah, man's aggressive, man. I tell you. Woo! See, you have to come get a special when you bar lockdown.
Alright. Come get you one. Let's say the first part mechanics you want to get this.
Don't worry, man.
So Candy, when you have to go back, lock the door and say me have come there. You can't be doing nothing, you have to go in there. So you have to do that, so I have to go for bug you drink a rum still, but I'm going to say bar there.
Alright.
Yes.
I'm a talk back.
Bug you one half flask.
Start back, Papa.
But you get two bags serious with him, you know.
No.
But you want to get him behind though. You say, well, anyway, where you come from? You know, you have trouble, it's a normal routine. Yeah, man, you're my friend.
A police, that's what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Stop,
follow me.
You know what you know, the right thing to come off and now, but shit.
I'm not going to right now. I'm a talk back. Where you come from?
It's special.
You know, say, your son over there, you are this is a home. But,
You know you must have something there.
you have to go and pass something. Hold on, something.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it, come here.
The door locked.
Yo, so what you can do, you know? You can talk to she, you know, make it make sense, and talk to her and say, yo, here what? It's when to permit or anything, and me give them permit, and say, rate me, you know, you help out people, you know, come and say, you're civilian, you know, you're police once, or whatever. Civilian twice, police once. Right. So tell her that.
Yeah, once a police, twice a civilian.
Once a police, twice a civilian. Talk to she, make more sense of a conversation. Really? Hold it down.
See, it's when they learn. I'm making them permit still, you know. So when you get them permit.
Alright, come now, let's see. So you have to live with people, you know.
Really? You see, I say I have to live with the people. I'm making them permit. Since when they get them permit, you get your room free at cost, you know.
Candy, why you call me for Candy? So you show.
Not yet, not yet.
Let me nice live video for.
What's my name?
Oh, what that? Real room? Push. Real room?
John must talk upon the general. In Spitfire.
One cool and knock over here, man. Not better for doing it.
I mean, go on easy, huh?
Just go and drink and go and ease myself. I mass up for Corona.
Officer Jeffers said when he come in at the post, him come in at the drink rum.
Tap chat out the people, I'm sure.
Good day. No, so we always have to do this thing, but don't drink so water, but we have something to do, you know, me, I watch movie.
I don't understand what you said a while ago, my general.
And the girlfriend role.
Where's the boy movie them?
Kind of like it for the sister and the girlfriend role, because never really play them type of style before.
Okay, so you like your role where you play? Alright.
In can't carry no mackerel and chicken back on the other night. I can't have to steak and
So what you gun man them treat you?
no, them treat me cake because they could milk nice, them like me.
You go like you put a weight man.
You tell you from the tree, lock down, or work for food. So eat it a go, so snacks, so eat it a go, so.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
God no. Belly like it a grow though.
I just belly this.
Belly. Be a belly.
Just belly, I'm not pregnant belly. It's a Jamaican, but I'm not pregnant belly.
You're 9 months.
No, 9 months belly can't look so.
No, I give you 9 months.
You can't give me 9 months of pregnant. Woman can pregnant less than.
No, you're pregnant already, I give you 9 months keep in the barn.
She's right, look man.
So I'm going to
Like one normal. Yeah, you're just like economy here now.
I'm chopping.
Huh?
You kind of suggested.
Huh?
What?
You know.
Okay.
Zigzag.
From this side.
One person missing from a BTS, so I'm not see so far, but him is there. Richie, how you going?
I'm going on the road and soon come back.
Oh.
And I told you, so far out back.
Why am I not like the time hot door?
You have to do this one normally, man. You know, when they cover up, you know, you can go river, go on easy.
How are we going up to?
So, what I mean, it's so up. Just you're not here.
But them said that show your name Prison Break?
No.
No.
Lockdown
bartender part 2.
Lockdown bartender part 2. So good man, I have some more. So, yeah. I know I need to focus, man. I see that button now? See it turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it goes when you understand the camera. So I hit that for the behind the scenes. I make them to you talk a little bit and then we end the video. So that's all I want to go on at Jamaican City and da. My chat da. Later, subscribe, like, go over the whole of the channel, man. Subscribe, do everything to make it algorithm.
Put it on bunny down.
Say bunny down.
But bunny down.
When I say I don't like how we not do nothing, you can use the time and create something. What's the body package?
That sound good. That sound good. I'll post this right now.